Tell me, it's been really quite remarkable because it did look at times that you had your backs to the wall. But looking at the numbers right now, is this something that all along, I'm talking right now of West Bengal, that you felt that you were able to get to this number that you were going to cross 200, or were you nervous? Be honest now, at some point.
Well, we have been confident about doing very well, and I've been on public record on this. Whether it will be 200 or 190, these things are very difficult to gauge. But we have been quite confident about it. To my mind, all what BJP was trying to do was to build up this massive propaganda that they are winning Bengal. This said, as I have said before in my conversation with many other people, BJP is a formidable force, will continue to be probably a very formidable force here. Results might look to you one-sided, but that does not mean that there has not been a tough fight. It has been a close fight, it has been a tough fight, but we always were confident of the fact that given the situation what it is here, we would be, Trinamool would be able to win many more seats than what most people were willing to give.
What do you think really happened, though, Prashant, during the course of the campaign? Take us through it step by step, because when you started off the campaign, you did seem somewhat more upbeat and more confident. But as it built up, and particularly as Mr. Modi came and again, did you start to see it shift away and towards the BJP?
See, when we started from that time onwards, we have gradually built on the strength of Trinamool. Trinamool leadership post their Lok Sabha performance have been very cognizant of the weakness or the course correction that they should or they should have done. And we have been proactively trying to address those issues, both on the government side as well as on the political side. I think partly the victory is attributed to that, but you know, by and large, it's the strength of the Trinamool here, the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, and people still having the faith and the trust in her leadership that has helped Trinamool win this election.
So, when you said course correction, you're talking about all the steps that you've spoken about elsewhere as well, that there was this sort of public anger, particularly after the cyclone Amphan, worries about whether aid was reaching, worries about corruption, and then you had to find ways of fixing that. Talk about that.
Well, it's not about Amphan. See, as a political party, what happened, you have to be cognizant of what is happening around you. In Lok Sabha, Trinamool did get the setback in terms of the number of seats which they were expecting to win versus the number of seats they won. The good thing about them is that they took cognizant of, they took the responsibility, they recognized where they need to do the course correction, and they did what was needed on their part.